Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. So in today's video, I want to show us a very simple home remedy. Like if you're a lady or if you're a man and you feel like you're not comfortable with your tummy, like you feel like the tummy is very big, your stomach is very big, and you want to reduce it. And usually maybe you know that your tummy is not usually like that, and maybe because of one reason or the other you have this big stomach and your stomach is maybe bloated, so you want to like reduce the stomach. It's okay for us to love our body, but there's no harm if you want to take care of your body or if you want something for yourself. So there's no pressure, guys. Take it one day at a time. So this video is a very simple home remedy. I know I always use that word simple, guys, don't get me wrong. When I say simple, I feel like I use the word simple is because I know that we can easily get all these items. Like you can get pineapple, you can get cucumber, there's lemon, there's ginger, and there's garlic. And of course you can also add in apple cider vinegar if you want to add apple cider vinegar. Okay, it's optional. So this home remedy is a pineapple drink for weight loss. It's not only to make your stomach flat, guys, it is for entire weight loss. Like it's not a magic drink that you're going to drink it and you expect to wake up in the morning and you're down 5 kg or your stomach is just gone overnight. No, I mean we need to put in some hard work. Like if you really want to have a flat tummy or you want to lose that weight, you want to make sure that you're eating right. I mean you have to step down a little bit on the carbs, on the sugar, all those things that make us fat. You have to make sure you watch your diet. I'm not saying that you cut off everything, I'm just saying like you can control it, okay? Like you can reduce some of those things. And of course if you can add in some exercise, it's going to be great. So this particular drink, right, this pineapple drink, it's a drink that you can take it for 10 days. I tried taking this one, so I was going to share with you guys. And guys, my stomach, like I used to feel like very bloated. My stomach used to just be like so big, especially after I put to bed and all that stuff. So but right now, guys, yeah, I would say that it has really like there's major improvement. So you can go ahead and try this drink, and if you have tried this drink before, let me know in the comment section down below to tell me how it worked for you. And if you think that you're going to try it, maybe you want to take a 10 days challenge to take this drink, do it and come back to this video and let me know how it worked for you. So guys, without further ado, let's go right into the video. Like I already said, you will need pineapple for this drink, right? Depend on you. Like for this one cucumber, I'm going to use half of this pineapple and I'm going to be using 1 lemon. You can use half lemon, depends on you. I'm going to use this amount of ginger right here, and I'm going to be using 2 garlic. This is fresh. Everything is going to be fresh. Okay, there's no cooking, there's no boiling, there's no parboiling. Everything is going to be fresh. So let's go right into the video, guys. This is about 1/4 of the pineapple I was showing you guys right now. This is more than half because it's very small, guys. And this is my sliced cucumber here. This is the ginger. I sliced the ginger, and this is the garlic. The cucumber, I didn't use all the cucumber. This is about the one that is left. Okay, I felt like the cucumber was too big, and And this is my lemon, which is I've squeezed the lemon, guys. I'm not going to be adding it with the items while I want to blend. I'm going to be adding it after I blend all these items. So all these items, I'm going to put them in the blender and I'm going to blend it. But before I blend it, I'm going to show you the water which I'll be using to blend this item. And this is the back of the pineapple, and this is the lemon peelings. I'm going to boil them together. I'm going to use the water to blend all the other items. All right, I don't want to use ordinary water. It's not compulsory that you have to use it. You have to use this water. For me, I don't want to waste the I don't want to waste the peelings, you know. And of course there's even great benefits. You can even do these peelings like this and drink them without actually blending. You know, you can actually do this, like you can do only the peelings themselves is like a great drink for weight loss. So I feel like I don't want to waste it. Let me just use the water to blend the items. Okay, it's optional, it's not compulsory. You can use your normal room temperature water to blend and just drink. All right, so once that is been, once it is boiled, I'll let it cool and I will use the water to blend. I'm going to add the items into the blender. Okay, and I'm going to blend. This is the cucumber, the garlic, and the ginger. I'm going to add the water and I'm going to blend it. Alright, this is the drink, the pineapple drink that I just made. I just blended right now. It's optional. You can either use a sifter to sift it to remove the pulp. What's it called? Is it pulp or what? Yeah. If you don't want all that, if you don't want all the carbs, because of course it has carbs, but it's still better than bread and rice and all that stuff. And or you can just drink it like the way I'm drinking it right now, because I'm actually on a weight loss diet, so I need this particular carbs. Like I need the cucumber, I need the pineapple, like I just need all of them. Alright, but it's optional. You can actually just sift it and drink only the water in. I'm just going to stir that, you know. Take this drink first thing in the morning. I still have some left. I'm going to drink that later. Take this drink first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed, guys. Like, do a 10 days challenge and let me know. I just want to have a drink. Oh my god, tastes amazing. Like you don't even have to feel the taste of the garlic because of the lemon and the pineapple. Like it's like a sour sweet kind of taste, very nice. You can add the apple cider vinegar if you want to, but if you don't want to, just take it like this. Guys, I'll just go ahead and finish up this drink. Like this is like my dinner. Usually I have my dinner like later 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. like that, but now it's already about 10 p.m. because I'll go to bed. So yeah, because you have to take it before you go to bed, so that's why I'm taking it now. And I decided to do this video to share with you guys, so you can also try it. Alright, try, because that's really helped me, guys. Like seriously, that's. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and your support. I appreciate you. I love you. I see all your love and your support. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time visiting my channel, this is your first time clicking on any of my videos, thank you so much for clicking. And if you think that you enjoy my content, do not leave without hitting the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. So guys, that'll be all for now. And if you feel that this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Share, drop a comment down below and let me know how this drink worked for you. And guys, that'll be it for today. I'll see you again in my next one. Do have a great day. Bye.